Hey, hi, Smitesh. So, Shardul, you've participated in Ideathon or Hackathon.
No, ma'am.
So, you're looking for some internships or anything? Uh,
I'm focusing on just internships and searching ideas that how can I complete my project.
okay, so you are already part of internship, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because this call is predominantly for the Ideathon and Hackathon competition that we
Yes,
have
ma'am. Yes.
as part of Dolphin Tank India. So, would you like to be part of it as well, or it was just the notification that got you to join? Do you want to know more about this?
No, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah, all right. Then you feel free to drop off, Shardul. No problem. Thank you. Hey, hi, Ashita. Hi, Ashita. Hello, can you hear us? Hello, Ashita, can you hear us? Please allow me a moment. Ashita, do you have any questions? Are you part of Ideathon or Hackathon by any chance? Okay, so you part of internships or what is it that you are working on currently in on the IAC platform? Would you like to introduce yourself quickly? Shardul, maybe you can also, I mean, I know you're not part of Ideathon or Hackathon, but you can maybe let me know which college you are from and as part of internship, now that you've joined the call, it'd be good to know a little bit about you. Shardul.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are part of which, I mean, which domain have you chosen as part of
Ma'am, I
your
have chosen cloud computing.
cloud computing? And which college are you from, Shardul?
Shri Balaji University, ma'am, Pune.
Okay, okay. All right. How far are you with your project?
I've completed like 20 to 30%.
Okay. When did you start, Shardul? Because
Past 5, 6 days.
okay, so that's recent. You know that we have a meeting for internships on Fridays at 5 p.m. So you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
join then. And if you have any questions or anything,
Yes.
we have all the domain leads. You can talk to them. Makran, maybe what we could do is since Shardul is doing cloud computing project, we can mention Venkatesh that we'll have someone in the call for that domain. Yeah.
Pardon, ma'am.
So Shardul is working on cloud computing domain. So we
All
just
right.
give a heads up to Venkatesh because he's the domain lead for that, right? So we can just give him a heads up that we have
Sure,
uh,
sure, sure.
Shardul working on that.
Yes, ma'am. Additionally, I just wanted to inform over here that
Mhm.
Venkatesh is currently engaged in office work, so he won't be able to join us today.
No, not today, but the Friday call.
Sure, I will inform him to
Just give him
join us on
that's
Friday.
why I said that heads up. Yeah. Okay,
Sure.
fine. Hey, hi Shreyas. Are you also involved in Ideathon Hackathon by any chance?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this call is pretty much for that. Would you be interested in participating?
So I can't think about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but we have time for this another month or so. So if any of your friends or anybody from your network who's interested in entrepreneurship or taking up higher roles within startups, they can pretty much participate in Ideathon and Hackathon then. So you
Actually,
guys
I can't think
can
about the ideathon, but few to 5 days ago, I can just little bit thought in my mind, just explore the hackathon.
yeah,
So
you can work on that, try out.
okay.
Yeah.
So I will try for that. Okay.
You can just participate and see how it goes, right? We'd also like to know your experience.
So what is the process of the participation, ma'am?
Simply go to that page and enroll. I think, Makran, can you please share the links for both Ideathon and Hackathon if that's ready?
On it.
Yeah.
So all preparation are there.
So there are certain deliverables that you would have to do. We have all the instructions for that. So basically, when you are to work on materializing any idea, how do you what approach you take, we have certain instructions for that, and based on that how you deliver it, because here it's not a piecemeal project. Here it's entire idea that you are developing into a application, right? A business idea into an application, so the approach that you would take would be a little different. So all those things is what you will learn, right?
Okay.
So product thinking is something that you will get exposed to when you're participating in hackathon. Yeah, it'll be a good experience.
Okay, I'll try for that. Okay.
Just participate to kind of learn, I would suggest.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and if you have any of your college mates or anybody in your network who's interested in entrepreneurship, they can also participate in it. This is also flexi time, so they have a lot of time to submit their ideas also.
Okay, I will suggest to my friends. Okay.
Great. Shreyas, just if I remember correctly, you're from Pillai College, right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, ma'am, I am from BK Birla College,
PK
Kalyan.
Birla, PK Birla. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, yeah,
yes.
I remember. You were working on data analytics?
Yes. I'm working
Yes.
on data analysis.
So it's all sorted?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is that you were having some problems with that project, right? Is that sorted?
Yes, I can face certain issue about the login in the. I'm use Power BI tool, so I
Hmm.
can't able to log in. I can see more videos
Hmm.
on the you provide by the uh,
So you can join the Friday meeting. Maybe we'll get Rasika to help you with that.
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Makran, if we can give her a heads up that
And
Shreyas has.
uh, I have one doubt. Just I can start for the problem statement.
Hmm.
So I can solve a problem statement in one page or next problem statement in another page. Yeah, I can particular file for the single
There
problem
is only
statement.
one problem statement, right? So, how you make it or how you convert it into a dashboard is entirely your decision, or it's up to you. So, there's no mandate that you have to do it in one page
Can
only.
you, can you repeat, ma'am? I face certain network issue.
Yeah, so I was saying that how you create the dashboard is entirely up to you. Whether you want to put all the analytics on one page or you want to use multiple pages, that's entirely up to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can I leave, ma'am?
Yes,
Actually,
yes, yes, yes.
okay, thank you,
I
ma'am.
think Akrant has shared the link, so if you want to join, you can join that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, hi, Tapasya. I think we're speaking first time. Do you want to unmute yourself and maybe introduce yourself? Which college, which program? Tapasya?
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Tapasya Dwivedi. I am Sri Balaji University
Okay, you're from Sri Balaji
students.
University. Second year BCA, am I right?
Sorry, ma'am, network issue. Please
No problem,
tell me
no
again.
problem. You are from second year of BCA, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you started working on your internship project?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you participating in
Uh,
Ideathon or Hackathon? Because this call is for that, for query resolution regarding Ideathon Hackathon. Tapasya,
no idea, ma'am.
you have not participated in these competitions, right? Okay, I see you do not know about them, so no problem. Would you like to participate by any chance? Then I can describe about the workflow and the problem statement and all of those things.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, network issue.
No problem. I was just asking you if you are interested in Ideathon or Hackathon and would you like to know more about it, is what I wanted to understand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I am asking project-related questions. So,
No problem. You can go ahead since you have joined. We can very much take those questions. No problem.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. Which domain have you chosen, Tapasya?
Uh, uh, मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या आप फिर से बोल
आपने
सकते
कौन
हो
सा डोमेन अपने डोमेन प्रोजेक्ट पे स्टार्ट कर दिया काम करना?
यस मैम वेब डेवलपमेंट में मैम एक्चुअली मैंने प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट तो कर दिया और वेबसाइट भी क्रिएट कर दिया बट मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जो कंपनी का लोगो है उसको क्या हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है या नहीं और क्या हमें उसको जो हमने वेबसाइट बनाई उससे लाइव दिखाना है या नहीं
लाइव दिखाना है मतलब आपको एज पार्ट ऑफ योर डिलीवरेबल आपको एक डेमो वीडियो बताना है, तो जो भी आपका आउटपुट है उसका एक वॉक थ्रू देना है हम लोगों को, आपने क्या अप्रोच लिया है, हाउ इट इज ऑपरेटिंग। तो ऐसा आपको डेमो वीडियो एक बनाना पड़ेगा।
कि जो
3 मिनट तक का वीडियो
नो
बना सकते।
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जो हमने वेबसाइट क्रिएट किया है उसको जैसे कि अगर ओनली हम ही खोल सकते हैं या कोई भी उसको खोल सकता है वेबसाइट को ओपन कर सकता है तो इसके लिए हमें क्या उसको लाइव करना है या नहीं क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में ये नहीं दिया गया है कि हमें लाइव
नहीं,
करना है या नहीं
आपको लाइव करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपको एज पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट सिर्फ ये बताना है कि आपने जो भी एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किया है, मतलब जो वेबसाइट क्रिएट किया है, जैसे ऑपरेट होना चाहिए वैसे ऑपरेट हो रहा है क्या, जो आउटपुट उससे एक्सपेक्टेड है वो आउटपुट वो दे रहा है क्या। तो आपको डमी अकाउंट्स या डमी लॉगिन वगैरह करके आपको एक डेमो देना पड़ेगा अपने एप्लीकेशन का।
ओके मैम
आपको समझा या और मैं एलैबोरेट
ओके
करके बताऊं? समझा आपको
नो
कि
यस
समझा?
मैम
नहीं
समझा
समझा तो आप
मैम
पूछ
एक
सकते हो, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन, डोंट वरी।
यस मैम यस मैम मैम मेरा क्या एक और क्वेश्चन था कि जो हमने प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जैसे कि हम अपने हिसाब से भी उसमें कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं या नहीं कि ओनली जितना प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में दिया गया है ओनली उतना ही करना है हमें
हिसाब से मतलब आपको कोई नए फीचर्स डालने हैं ऐसे बोल रहे हो? मतलब एडिशनल
हाँ
फीचर्स
कि
डालने हैं इस हिसाब से डाल सकते हो।
हाँ कि
आपने
हाँ कि उसको
हाँ बोलिए, सॉरी बोलिए। बोलिए
फीचर
तब।
सेट।
आपका आवाज कट रहा है।
ओ सॉरी मैम।
नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ बोलिए।
ये
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा था वैसे।
हाँ
आप फिर से कनेक्ट करना चाहोगे? आई थिंक नेटवर्क थोड़ा ठीक हो जाएगा अगर आप फिर से रिकनेक्ट करोगे तो। हेलो। ऊपर से आप रिकनेक्ट कर सकते हो, आपके नेटवर्क की वजह से हमें आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी। I think we'll wait for some time and then let's see.
Okay, ma'am. Then we will close, I guess.
Yes, we'll wait till 6:30 because I don't see anyone new joining. So if Professor's network is back, then we can address her query. Otherwise, we can do that on Friday or maybe tag her in the chat room. Makran, I think I'll stop recording this call.